Hey guys, today we're going to look at covalent bonds and how we can write the names and formulas without actually having to do the drawings first. So names to formulas. In covalent bonds we use the prefixes. So unless the first element only has one atom, there will always be a prefix present to tell you exactly how many are supposed to be there. So if you pay attention to the name given to you, it should be really easy to determine what the formula is. So first you write the symbol for the first element, followed by the number of atoms determined by the prefix. Then you write the symbol of the second element, again with the number of atoms determined by the prefix. So we're going to take a look at this. Iodine does not have a prefix, so I'm going to write the letter I, and I'm going to leave this blank because there's only one present. Fluorine has a prefix of hepta, and hepta stands for 7. So I'm going to write capital F for fluorine, and then a subscript 7. Sulfur dioxide, sulfur has the symbol of S, but since there is no prefix, there's only one, I do not need to write that here. Dioxide is oxygen, and di tells me that there should be 2 of them. And then dinitrogen pentaoxide. Nitrogen is capital N, this di tells me I need 2 of them. Oxygen is capital O, this penta tells me I need 5. So really easy, right? Look at the name, find the symbol, find the prefix, write down the number. Now if we go formulas to names without doing the drawings, you have to find the number of atoms for the first element, write the name with no changes except adding a prefix for any number greater than 1. Write the name of the second element, change the ending to IDE, and then add the prefix. And remember, the second element uses a prefix every single time. So for this example, we have nitrogen, and I'm going to put a little line out front just like I did in the past to remind me that I might need a prefix. This is hydrogen, which changes to hydride, D-R-I-D-E. I'm going to put a line out front to remind me that I might need a prefix. Nitrogen, there's only one present, no prefix required. Hydrogen, there are 3, so I'm going to add the prefix of tri. So NH3 is officially called nitrogen trihydride. So we're going to do a couple more practice problems. N2O4. N, again, is nitrogen. Put the number out front. O is oxide. Put the line out front. Nitrogen has 2, so I need the prefix of di. Oxygen has 4, so I need the prefix of tetra. CO2, the first word is carbon. Add the line just to remind yourself you might need a prefix. Second word is oxygen, which changes to oxide. Add the line to remind yourself you need a prefix. Carbon only has 1 present, does not need a prefix. Oxygen has 2 present, add the prefix of di. Last one, P2O3. P is phosphorus. O is oxygen, which is oxide. Now I'm going to add my lines out front so I can add the prefixes. Phosphorus has 2, so I need the prefix of di. Oxygen has 3, so I need the prefix of tri. Pretty easy, right? So we've now looked at ionic bonds without drawing them and covalent bonds without drawing them. Now on your assessment, on your unit test, you will see both. You will see drawings and you will see names to formulas and formulas to names without having to do a drawing first. Now, I do want you to be able to do both ways, so we are going to practice this for the next few days. Again, we practiced ionics alone, we're going to practice covalence alone, and then we are going to mix them up together just like we did last time. So I'll see you in class so we can practice.